Hi! In this video, we will teach you how to use WeBot. First, you will go to Wizards bar and select New Project Directory. Then, name your project and check Add Rectangle Arena to add ungenerated arena for your project. In your world, you can edit the names of your nodes and change its features like sides, rotation, transition, etc. If you want to add other nodes, you can press Add button. Then, the different nodes will show up. Now, let's explore a little bit about the nodes as shown in the video. Now, I need a node beer to test the rotations of the Webot. As you can see, you can rotate and move objects by pressing their corresponding arrow. So, that is the basics.
So now we will create a maze. In order to do that, you will go to Add button and search for a node that you need. For this robot, we need a wall, so just type in wall. And then we will select a solid wall, so this one. And after that, just click the Add button. Now we will change the size of the wall, depends on what you prefer. Just go to size and edit out the measurements. Then start making a maze by copying your added wall. And to do that, just press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. And then move the walls to create your own maze. From this point, I will just fast forward the video, finishing the maze.
So now we will place a robot named epac. Just click the add a node button, and in Protonode's Webot projects, find the robots. Then find the Gtronic and find epac. Then click add to have an epac robot in our maze. And now we are going to place our robot on the starting position. You can search here at cyberbotics.com/doc/guide/epac in order to view the parts of the epac and how to use it. As you can see here in the video, we will now go to the commands for its motors and sensors.
The next part is for the coding of the epac robot. So now, we will now create a code for our epac robot. The first thing to do is go to the wizards bar and click New Robot Controller. And then, select what programming language you will use. The programming language that we use is Python programming. And then, name your controller. The name of our controller is wall_robot_control. And then, click Next. Then, click Finish. As you can see in the video, the controller appears in the right side of the screen. Now, we will copy the codes that we created. The codes have comments in order to guide you to the parts of the program of the epac robot. In order to see the code clearly, just press the pause button and read the programs with the corresponding comments.
Now we are going to test the code. Click the arrow beside the robot and search controller. Click select. You will see generated controller choices, but we are going to select the custom choice. Press OK. After selecting the controller, we are going to test the result by clicking the play button in the toolbar. After that, logs will appear to the console below. As you can see, the robot is now moving smoothly with no problems. Let's watch how Epoch robot move until it reaches the end. That's all. Thank you for watching.